Alright, so this is an update on gold. This time around, I'm going to be starting from the macro all the way to the micro. So I'm just going to start from here. This could be a 1 2 and then another 1 2 or a 3 4. The multiple counts in this case does not matter because for both cases, whether this is 1 2 or 3 4, we're still expecting to move to the upside. So we're just going to focus on this part of the market, that's from here to here, rather than debating on whether it's a 3 4 or 1 2. So zooming in, if I go down to the 1 monthly, we still have a similar situation where this could be 1 2 1 2 or it could be 1 2 3 4. So for both counts, we're still expecting an impulse move to the upside. So we're not going to debate about whatever this is, whether 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 1 2. So we're just going to focus on what this is. Going down to the weekly. All right. I think I'll do this on the monthly then. So I also have two proposed counts for what this could be on the monthly. We could have done a 1 2 3 4 5. I'm counting for the white bracket. So it could be 1 2 3 4 5, and then that would be the end of either this third wave in green, or it could be the end of the fifth wave. And for either of those scenarios, we'll be waiting for a correction. Or it could be the blue one, which is a 1, a 2, and then this whole thing is a 3, then we're having a 4 and then a 5. I would say that I would like it to be the blue one because this correction for the fourth wave over here was a bit too small for my liking, so a broader correction would be better, but who knows what's going to happen at this point. All I can say at this point is that we are in a correction, and there hasn't been any clear direction, in my opinion, on what's going to happen next. I might be wrong on that. Maybe prices start moving, but I currently cannot say what is happening. So, in summary, either this is a 1 2 3 4 5, or this is a 1 2 3 4, and we've already had 5. So, going down to the weekly, uh, I if this is the white count, which means that wave 3 ended here, it would mean that we had a 1 2 3 4 and a 5 here, or it would be that we had 1 2 3 and we're working for a 4, or we have worked for it and then we're having a 5. If we still want to go with the idea that we are still working for a 4, I wouldn't like it because this is way larger than this and it's getting me a bit uncomfortable. So I've drawn these lines here just in case we have something of a triangle. I mean, it's just there for the sake of drawing it. There hasn't been any evidence towards a triangle. Initially I was thinking we would have an A, B, and a C, but that doesn't seem to be playing out right now. Going down to the daily, I on my MetaTrader I counted 1, 2, and then this is 3, and then a 4, and then this is the fifth wave. So that is something like this: a 1 2 3 4, and then a 5, and whatever this is. So all in all I can say from the macro is that we should be expecting a correction right about now, whether it's going to be a deep correction, whether it's just going to be a small sideways correction. So the sideways one would be the one of the blue counts, where this is 1 2, we have a 3, and then we have some sort of 4 before a 5. And the larger correction would be the one where we had 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll be looking for a larger pullback to the downside. So working back from the micro to the macro, if this is 1 2 and then this is 3, we'll be expecting some 4 without and then 5. Then if this is 3 4 and then this is 5, then we'll be expecting a deeper correction. So all in all, we just know that we are expecting either side. We are just expecting a correction, be it sideways or sharp, but it's well, whatever correction plays out. I'm going to switch over to MetaTrader now. Alright, so on MetaTrader I've been tracking this corrective move from here. I've counted 3 here, 3 here, 5 here. Call this an A, this is a B, and then this is a C. So either this is an A, B, C, or this is either this is A, sorry about that. Either this is A and this is B and this is C, or it's a W, an X, and a Y, but either way it's a corrective move. And then I counted a 3-wave move here in an ABC, which is a 335, and there was a 5-wave move down here. So I have a couple things to say on this. One of them is that if we count this as a 3-wave move down, another 3-wave move up, and a 5-wave move could have ended here, that would complete a flat, in all honesty. It's just that this 5-wave move feels a bit small for what I would expect, but it's still valid, I guess. Then the other one I was expecting was, since we had a W, we had an X, we had a Y, I was then expecting an X and then a Z, and then this Z would be a 5, 3, and then 5-wave move down. But then we had a 5, counted a 3 here, and we could have had an ending diagonal 5. That's also possible. So it could be that the correction actually did ended here, and then this whole move up is impulsive. That could also be the case. It could also be the case that, okay, so I was able to count a 5-wave move in here, sort of. I have to show you that. I have to show that. So I counted this as 1, 2, 3. Then this is a triangle in 4, and then this is a 5. This wave 3 is actually not the shortest wave, so it fits into the Elliott theory. So that would make this a 1, 2, and then this would be some sort of 1. My only problem with the counts that show that this is an impulsive move to the upside is that I haven't been able to identify a proper 5-wave move. I mean, I can see that, okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe in a leading diagonal, but then I can't really make out a corrective count. That's probably my bad, but I just have to keep watching, I guess. I'm trying to see if maybe this could be some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 in progress. Maybe we'll have a 3-wave move to the bottom. Still under, I guess I'm still watching out for that to see if that happens. But I mean, at this point in time, to be honest, it's quite difficult to say what exactly is going on. But this is just a video showing my thoughts and what I have observed in the market so far. So it's possible that we could have started that impulsive move to the upside, but it's also possible that we are still in some sort of larger correction. I have not yet seen any, will I say, clear 5-wave move counts. All the things I counted as impulsive moves were things that I forced to fit in. I was looking for an impulsive count, and so I had to force some sort of 5-wave move in some places. And yeah, that's how I was able to get like the idea that we could still be in an impulse of some sort. So yeah, so if this is in fact a 1 and then this is a 2, then I should be expecting a bit of a pullback, and then maybe we'll see an entry at that point in time. But for now, I am still on the sidelines, no trade in, just waiting, just watching to see what will happen in the future. So I don't know if I can give a recap of all that I've said. Alright, so in summary, either we've had 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're looking for maybe another 1, 2 before we start moving to the upside, or we could still be in some sort of correction. So yeah, that's it for now. Not much that I can do at the moment, just waiting on the sidelines, waiting to see what happens. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.